See how that turns?
Yeah.
So you don't ruin the plug. Well, aircraft maintenance, if you've ever watched an airplane fly over, realize that there's somebody on the ground that's making that happen. We're going to teach these students in the program everything on the airplane from the tip of the propeller to the tip of the exhaust pipe. So our program is a dual credit program for the high schoolers. The high schoolers come in 11th and 12th grade and they will get 7 courses, which encompasses our general certificate. Once they complete the high school program, they will have completed 1 full semester that a normal college student would get. We'll start off with the navigation light. You turn your landing light on, pull the breaker.
No power.
No power.
It's a big benefit. It puts me 2 years ahead of anyone else that wants to go into the aircraft maintenance field. I would definitely recommend this program for anyone.
It's a good program, and the thing that I like about it, and the thing that a lot of the students like about it, is you're not stuck in a classroom for 8 hours a day. So 50% of our training is actually hands-on. We have 15 airplanes here in the facility. You're going to do work on all of those airplanes. It is a very good high-paying field. When you get into the apprentice program, they're starting our technicians out fresh out of high school or fresh out of 1 semester of program here at $18.75 an hour, plus they're getting full Lockheed benefits. And you should have a yellow ground over here. And it's a 3-year control program. So when you graduate out of high school, you start into the apprentice program. You're in our program working on your FAA airframe and power plant certification, and you're working on your associate degree, and you're still working for Lockheed Martin getting paid. Lockheed today is short 300 technicians. They're working with us to go ahead and build up our program to increase more students.
I'm actually really enjoying it so far. It's been a blast, and this is something that I can actually use in the future. Right once I get out of high school, I can just get straight into the industry.
Our goal is to get the most qualified students in here, those that are interested in learning how to work on airplanes.